Okay, so okay, so we have finished making our game, and so it's now time to just push it to GitHub, and more importantly, itch.io. Move the puzzle pieces, it all works. So we want to do this like release thing on GitHub, but it looks like it's going to require us to have a tag. So I think the first thing we want to do is put that in the Git project. So we want to use this like git tag, and how does it work again? From memory we need to use like, there's like an M, yeah, there's like a message, and then I think A, we want to annotate it. Git tag A version 1.0.0. Okay, and then if we want to like push the tags from memory, there's something specific we need to do. Is it like there's one git push tag. Okay, so now we have this version 1. Okay, it should be on here. So now if we do, oh, it's like automatically made stuff? No. Create a new release. Yep, there's now that option. Automatically add the markdown for all the merged pull requests from this diff and contributors. No, release title. We finished making the game, so here it is. Attach binaries by dropping them here or selecting them. Okay, so I guess we could so suppose we could actually just like create a binary, or at least like zip the code and then attach it. Why don't we do both? Okay, so let's say we do, for this sliding puzzle, there's like 3 clicks to actually get to the decent one you want to do. We want this like add to archive, sliding puzzle.7z. We should probably attach like version 1 to this or something. version 100. Oh, there's actually some things in here we don't want to necessarily send. Like, I guess we can. We don't really want this. I think it's fine if you leave the git ignore in there. That should be alright. The z cache we don't want in here. Good, we deleted that. Actually, we don't really want the zig out either. Ooh. I guess if people are if we want to just attach something for people to download that isn't the git, I guess we should like copy things manually. Okay, so why don't we do like sliding puzzle releases. And then here we can do version 1. I guess we can just copy, we don't want zig out, but we can copy everything else. Maybe we get rid of the git ignore. So otherwise this should be good to the launch. Then we can show more options, 7z, add an archive, and then call this v1, or rather sliding puzzle game v100.7zip. Okay, that's, or maybe we could even just rename this version 1. Okay. The version like 1.7z makes it look like it's version 1.7 that I'm not totally comfortable with. Maybe we should use underscores anyway. Sliding puzzle game version 0, version 1, 0, or 1.00. We'll make everything underscores. Okay, and then may as well move that back there. Okay, and then we actually want to create a release build, and I suppose we want to upload that too. So we now want to do build with the current compiler. We want to compile with optimizations, but make sure that we're only assuming an x80, like the most basic, none of the extra additions to the x86-64 architecture, which is what this baseline thing does. Otherwise, this is going to compile with like extra stuff, and not every CPU will have that. And then I suppose we want to get that into the releases as well. Okay, so now in zig out, it's here. Okay, let's move this and call it we should make it clear that this is Windows, sliding puzzle, or maybe just like Windows, like yeah, sliding puzzle game version 1.0.0 Windows. Well, Windows is Windows x86-64. I think that should be alright. Okay, so now if we want to attach binaries or select them, I guess we just do this. So so here it is, in case you don't want to keep putting it before. Okay. So I guess these are automatically generated, and then say I wanted to download this. And then run it. I expect Windows will say, but you, yeah, you downloaded this from the internet. Could be dangerous, yeah, but I wrote it. Okay, and then it's launching. Great. Easy. Okay, so that's that done. What is? Okay, so the name when we said version 1, it appears there. Okay, so now we can get this on itch.io. That's gonna be a lot of admin. Upload new project. This is what we want. What did we call the last couple of things? Sliding puzzle game. Sliding puzzle game. Or maybe sliding, like 3x3 sliding puzzle game. Maybe sliding puzzle game is fine. Sliding puzzle game of the Earth. Should it be in all caps? No. Actually, I think sliding puzzle game itself is fine. Oh, but this, okay, this like name is, the name should at least be unique. I type in sliding puzzle. Yeah, we get a bajillion things called sliding puzzle, so it should be called, it's like the canonical name. So now maybe we could call this a 3x3 sliding puzzle. The question is, for how many of these is the puzzle impossible to solve because it's just be randomly shuffled? So yeah, let's call it 3x3 sliding puzzle. I just want to copy basically the template from last time. So, okay, we did that there. Let's move it around. Short description or tagline shown when we link to your project. Avoid duplicating your project's title. Optional. A simple sliding puzzle. Featuring a photograph. The blue marble. What are you uploading? This is a game. Kind of project. Downloadable. So I think when we eventually port this game to the web, we're gonna have to do this one. But also, what is when it says you have a zip file, does this literally mean like the compressed folder, or is there like some other like weird JavaScript thing called zip? Okay, no, it is. Let's see. Okay. We should look into that. Release status. Yeah, released. This is done. Pricing. No payments. It is free. Okay, upload files. An executable. Oh, it is actually possible to download the source code. That is cool. More. Yeah, we'll leave it just as that for the moment. Okay, description. This will make up the content of the game page. So presumably whatever we write in here is this thing. So yeah, let's write out what this should be. So let's actually go to like the releases page. Sliding puzzle releases and do itch text. Maybe itch IO. Itch IO text. And using the reference, we can write out what this should be. We can say this is a simple 3x3 sliding puzzle game. Played with the keyboard. Control the tiles using the WASD or arrow keys. Yeah, the game is very short. Solving it should take less than 10 minutes. The source code of the game is available on GitHub at link. This feels like it's some weird link. Like when I looked at the link, it said like it was having tree and other stuff in there. Yeah. Okay, I think that's kind of it. Oh, we are going to have to write this install instructions, but we can copy that too. Oh, we're going to have to do like the tags as well. Those will be fun. We'll need to update these install instructions when SIG 14 comes out. We'll like rebuild the games and then repost them all. Since both Raylib and Zig have changed a fair bit since then. So the game should run faster and be more efficient. And less buggy. That's the main priority. Yeah, the game should not require any dependencies outside of OpenGL. Using okay. From memory, we're going to have to take some like screenshots and get them on the page as well. And then after the stream, since I need to use OBS for it, I'll just make like a small video playing the game and then upload that to YouTube and then link onto the page the link for that. Okay, I think we can continue to upload this stuff then. genre. Puzzle. Surely it's puzzle. Yep. Tags. Okay, here's like the... I remember scrolling through a very long list last time. Okay, it is 2D. So we can copy that. This is basically minimalist. Oh, this is keyboard only. Really, there's no like keyboard only. There's definitely no AI. Maybe we add that on at the end. Oh, it's such a long list. Okay. It is short. Okay, what's the order? Okay, it's 2D, it's short. It's a puzzle. Let's see. Is this tile map? I wonder. So they have mouse only. Like, I wonder if there's a keyboard only. If not, we'll just add it ourselves. Like, I wonder what this like source code does. Like, it is the case. I feel like we were halfway down the list. Hex-based. Tentacles. Non-Euclidean. That would actually be an interesting search term to look at afterwards. Brain training. Like, it is GitHub, like, there are links to it. Voice controlled, okay. So why don't we add in, like, since there are a bajillion other sliding puzzle games, we can just, I think we should add in sliding puzzle. And then, what are these other ones we saw? There was the no AI, and I guess I can add in space. Oh, maybe space should come next. No AI. Oh, we wanted to add in keyboard only. So when it was like mouse only, we did include attack, keyboard only, and yeah, finally no AI. Okay. Sliding puzzle as a, I feel like there should be a dash in there. Max of 10. Well, we have 9, so that's okay. AI generation disclosure. Thank goodness this is in here. No, of course not. App Store links. Well, no. Download and install instructions. So this is what we want to copy. Oh, we didn't create it from scratch using Raylib. We need to edit this. From scratch in Zig, using the Zig game dev. Using the Zig game dev libraries, ZGFLW, and I wonder if we should format these to be like code. Maybe not. ZGFW and ZOpenGL. It probably would be good to spell check this as well. Open. Okay, that's fine. Use draft to review your page before making it public. Okay, I guess since we want to add screenshots and stuff, we'll do that. Save and view page. Okay, so now we have to do like the edit theme. So we want this to reflect the colors in the game, just in the same way that we did stuff here. So let's do that. Actually, here. Let's move this to the right. So if we go to main, then in like the colors, let's say like magenta, you can use these. Okay, so for the background color, let's make this like the space black. 030305. What is that? I feel like this color is a bit too strong. We want an off-white. The one we're using in the game is very strong. I reckon for this link we could try the grid blue 3E4855F. Or maybe we should use this link as let's just copy these in here. What if we use the link as the background and no, I like it the other way around. They were using, GitHub was using, Itch was using 222. I reckon we just make it plain black. Okay, and then in the shaders, in the background, are we using anything else? No. Yeah, fairly simple in terms of color schemes. Okay, save that. But now we need to, we can change the font. Absolutely not. That looks like a website from the 90s. No, let's just use the default. Very large. Just large. Screenshots. What does this one do? Oh, no, we don't want to adjust that. And we already set that to be the link color. No. Okay, so now we want to edit the some of the screenshots. Like how do we do that? We're not updating the background. Oh, maybe, No, we don't need this widget or embedding the games. Oh, this is where we add the screenshots. Okay. Okay, that's where we add. Okay, so we need to like take a cover image, or recommended 360 by 500, and then a bunch of screenshots. Okay. So how many did we do for this game? We just did 3, and so I think we can just do, I mean, there's really not that much to this game. I think we could just do, I think we can just have 1 screenshot, and we can use that to be like the cover screenshot as well. In fact, if I did search a 4x4 Sudoku, yeah, we can just add in the simple photo. These almost look like they were made with a shader. Anyway. So yeah, let's take a screenshot, upload it. Yeah, we want to go to the releases and then launch the sliding puzzle game version 1, and this will be fine. So it wanted 630 by 500. We'll be able to crop this. I think this should be alright. If the game is 1000 by 1000, then this will give us plenty of space. We want to just take this regular photo. Actually, I wonder if this is tall enough. Let's just take let's screenshot the entire thing, and then in GIMP we will deal with it. Okay. We can quit that. Okay, so let's draw some, before we start cropping anything, we can pre-compute things. So we want it to be 630 by 500. So I think from the screenshot there's like an annoying a couple of pixels on the side. So let's crop those out, and then we'll just shrink the entire thing so that it's 630. what did I just do? Come on, no. Okay, crop that. We may as well save this in releases. HIO screenshot. Now we want to scale the image so that the width is 650. Okay, and now we just want to like do a center crop of this. I only want to select the how do we select the layer? Maybe just the crop option. Okay, the crop option will tell us the dimensions we can do. Okay. So great, this is 650 and we wanted it to be 500. Okay, so this is exactly suggested dimensions. Okay, and now that's cropped. Canvas delay, no. Okay. So now we can export this. Export as yeah, itch.io screenshot. Three by three sliding puzzle screenshot. 3 by 3 sliding puzzle screenshot. Sure. Okay, now we want to upload cover image. And then if the page itself won't have a picture of it, we'd also want to add it as a screenshot too. But ultimately, like, the gameplay trailer will be what? I guess we should just like take a different photo, as silly as that is. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, let's save this and now check out what the page looks like. Okay. Oh, maybe the photo we should have is like a screenshot where like the tile is moving, and then that way it's like clear that there is some animation involved. Okay, so let's actually include another photo, another screenshot. We just want to time it so that like the piece is moving when the photo is taken. So how can we can do this by just modifying the source code and making it super easy. So what happens when we have complete control over our game? So we can do animation sliding tile time and change it from 0.15 seconds to 10 seconds. And now we can do zig build, zig current, build run. What? Why isn't it? Alright. And now when we move it, it takes ages to move, which is good for our purposes. So now when we have the snipping tool, what's like a good place to do this? Save that. Screenshot sliding puzzle screenshot 5. Now add this to. We may as well just make it have the same dimension as the other screenshots, I think. Where's the page? Oh, no, this time we can actually just include like a full screenshot, maybe. We don't even need to like edit the screenshot we took. Look at this. Okay, let's save this. What does it look like on the page? Yeah, we don't need a repetition. Like this other box up here is going to be like the YouTube video that we record after the stream. So let's actually remove that one. Save it. You don't have a payment figured. Yeah, this project is free. Why are you showing me this? So silly. The photo is the photo on the tiles is the blue marble, one of the most famous photos. Or the image on the tiles is from the blue marble, one of the most famous photos of the okay. The image on the tiles is from the famous photo, the blue marble. is from the famous photo of the Earth, the blue marble. Okay. The name of this binary is a bit weird. At least on this page, I don't think there's any need for it to be version 0111, etc. I think we can just name it something really simple, like 3x3 blue marble sliding puzzle, and just name it that instead. Oh, we can do change display name. Good. 3x3 blue marble sliding puzzle, version 1. What did we call it? We didn't even call it version 1. What does it appear on the pages? Really? Okay, yeah, let's just change the let's change this. So we want to copy this to 3x3 sliding puzzle blue marble windows. Well, it has like a picture of the Windows operating system next to it, so I think it should be clear what it is. Okay, I think that's it. I think we can release this now. So this says like draft. Is this where we make it public configure settings? No, let's release this. It's ready to go. Let's call this 3x3 blue marble sliding puzzle. I should probably note here, I don't want this to be a link anymore. The blue marble photo is in the public domain and available at, let's just find out, add a link somewhere. Oh, no, we don't want that. We just want... Oh no, it's thinking it's a JPEG, even though that's just like the name of the of the page. Annoying. Well, we could say unavailable here. No, we want this to be ahref. Huh? Oh, it's okay. That is linked. No. Okay, so it should now be on the internet. Okay, I'm not the only one with keyboard only. Good. And let's see. If I do sliding puzzle, quite a couple. This looks cool. Okay, now I'm just curious to see what some other people have done. We'll eventually port this to the browser. Why? Okay, I guess it wants... See, we absolutely in no way will we ever make a game where when you press start, you see this. This is crap, we're not playing this. Whoever made that did not value our time. Okay. Let's check out this one that someone made. Sliding puzzle.zip. Leopard Runner Games. Okay. Okay, bit surprised that this is 37 megs. Let's just upload. Let's upload this to VirusTotal. Huh? What's it mean? Why, very confused. Why is VirusTotal unable to? Is there like, is JavaScript blocking us from uploading it? Okay. It should be fine. So who made this? Molly's puzzle, rotate the world. This is okay. The controls are as follows. Skip. Oh, okay. We've seen a couple of these games before, but this is I can do better. Okay. I'm not concerned about minimal moves, but okay. Blockland. Pinball. A Lemmings-like game. More information. What does it mean, like starting in? Okay. Oh, I see. We've played a game like this before. Should be fine, just in case. What other ones that people made? "15 puzzle, collect numbers." Oh, there's us. Okay. Okay, the game is safe to play. So let's. Why is it loading something from the internet? I didn't give permission for this game to load something from the internet. WASD. Oh, it's not keyboard, it's mouse only. Oh, let's say we skip this one. No, this is not. I don't approve of this game. This also seems like. So, what's the star? Does the star mean I'm like, I win? Okay, in either case, not impressed that the game is 38 megs and has to download photos from the internet. It's not okay. Not okay. Oh well. What are some others? Is this also going to say... No, this is like a terrible font. No, it can't take that long to load. No. It should load like that. example. Bam, it's loaded. You can play it immediately. Like we will see when we develop our WASM file how long each, how slow it is on the each side to actually load it. But there's not, since ours is a static website, it should also be instantaneous. This is Android only, okay. Experience nostalgia by playing the classic sliding puzzle game. Metallic Fist Digital Limited. We provide innovation, quality, and premium experience that users deserve. No, that doesn't actually tell me anything about the game. Oh, this looks, I've seen a couple of no, it's another like loading bar, absolutely not. It should load immediately. Maybe this one, what's this like? Okay, cool, this is what I'm talking about. The game immediately loads, this is good. And can I use the keyboard? No, I can't. No, the animation time is so slow. Okay, let's say I like click this tile and then like another tile. I can't even do like 2 moves in a row, no. Every one of these is failing. Maybe this is Android. This one is charging money, so this presumably will be a high quality experience. An elegant art style. Okay, and what could be the idea of the game? Sliding follows a la 2048. Can you switch? Oh. Wait, this is a fun idea for a game. Okay. What's this one? Run simulation. No. This cat one was like promising, and then no, which one was it? This one. Oliver 77. It was promising, and then like the animation time is just too slow, and you can't cancel animations, and there's a timer. We should check out what this person has done there. Fantasy puzzle. Maybe these are alright. Nice game, Phaser. Why is the script? Okay, that was a bit. Wait, what? What's Okay, but at least this seems like it was programmed from scratch. What's this investigative report it is? Can you actually like see the? where can we view like the is the code located somewhere in here? Is it this game.min.js? Okay, so it looks like here's the source code for the game, probably. Or maybe not. No, I don't know what this is. But then we see like, anyway. Yeah, this is, I don't know. Guess not. But yeah, how can we view it? Where this is from? Okay, but we get how this works. Okay. This still takes too long to load, but okay, so what's the idea? Presumably, like each square is occupied. Oh, that's it. Okay, we can't do more than one in a row. Okay. Okay, so if there's 0 in there. These fours are making it a bit hard. Okay. U1, try again, is that it? Okay. But hey. What about this one? Oh damn, okay. Okay, that's a bit boring. So yeah, okay, so I guess from this, there's one version of doing this run game will be to just launch a completely separate full screen web page. But some of these other versions do it like within the within like the box. Okay, we should do exercise very soon. No. But I feel like I'm going to be saying no for all of these. But yeah, maybe for like one of these, maybe it would be possible to have like the website, the WASM that we do just inside of that. 149. Kind of impressed this was made within Pico. Oh, but it's not actually. It's a spin. 3D sliding puzzle, Christmas themed sliding puzzle. So see like HTML classic if zone appear at the bottom. Yeah, this is described as HTML. Yeah, this is, I think this is more what we have in mind. R equals. So presumably we're dying. Oh, there's only a fixed number of moves. Okay, but okay, when we load this web page again, oh, I missed that when I scrolled down. I feel like all of, okay, this is okay. This is a good game. Is that the image almost looks like it was generated with AI that makes me slightly worried. Well, there's like an effect on the borders. Oh, I see. The borders change when the pieces are in the correct place. The borders change. This is a nice addition. Yeah, this is a decent game. Who made this? OV052. But alas, a downloading bar. Pygame. Okay, well, everyone needs to start somewhere. I guess this must be on the other side. How do we get this? So if I press solve, oh, but this doesn't work. I press shuffle and then I press solve and it doesn't solve it for me. Okay. Slightly disappointing. But the border effect is cool, and huge kudos that you click run the game, bam, it's there. That's what should happen. Okay. That is a decent game. Okay. What's this like? This is I don't know, the fact that that was like, this was rated 2 stars feels like a bit rough. Oh, yeah, no, I can see why. Not only does it take like 5 seconds to load, once it's finished loading, it's only loaded the loading bar. So, okay. But that is all right. We now have a game on itch, and I wonder if we should actually link to it in the GitHub at all. I guess maybe we should add in like a link to itch.io here. In either case, there's no actual point in like linking to the itch.io page yet, since you'd just be downloading an executable, and well, we uploaded that same executable here. So nothing's really to be gained from linking to the web page. But it may be useful to still add it here somewhere. Anyway, that's going to be it for me. Create a dashboard. Where's the blue sky integration? Okay, the game is now there. That was cool. Oh, weirdly, why is there like no Windows button? Like all of these are clear that you can download it with Windows, but not here. That's so bizarre. Did we forget to like edit that it's meant to be on Windows? Okay. Good thing we checked out the page once more. Okay. Better. Okay. So yeah, thanks everyone who dropped by, and yeah, this was. It's always fun to just like make something from scratch within like a short time frame. Like started this February 1, and well, let's see, git log one line. Git log. Yeah, started it February 1. There was a week where no work got done, since I was doing a huge amount of real job work, and then basically within 2 weeks, including the break, it's done. So yeah, always fun to make a game from scratch within 2 weeks. Yep. So yeah, so the next step in this project is porting this to a web WASM, getting it, we'll probably upload it to the same itch page, but when you visit the page, there will be like the play game button. You'll click the button and it will like instantly be there. Or as we saw in this other example, you click the play game and it launches like a separate window that's full screen. But in either case, at no stage is there going to be a loading bar appearing. If you want to play the game on the web, you click play and it loads like that. But yep. And we're also going to port this game to the Serenum. There's been quite a lot of work on the Serenum since the last time I did a project, so I want to check that out. We might actually do that next stream. We might have like a Serenum pause, a Serenum explore before we get to before we get back to doing stuff in WebGL. The 100 times faster update. Oh wow. Okay, we absolutely have to check this up. Check this out. Yeah. Oh, this is cool. Okay. The 100 times faster update. But anyway, catch you later, everyone. Bye.